All right, what up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to dive right into it and keep it super short today. The question, should you use a 3 commas bot? If you live in the United States, the answer is no. You definitely don't want to even waste your time or money. I've been on this platform for 8 days now. Since day one, I've been in contact with their team. I tried to get this bot up and running on Binance US for 5 days. On the 5th day, their team finally got back to me with an indefinite decision. For whatever reason, signals coming from Binance US, there's a ton of issues because of regulations and laws and all that BS. They don't work. So I asked for a refund. They told me that they weren't going to refund me the entire year subscription. Even though it was only 1 day into my actual contract, they wouldn't refund me the full subscription. They were going to charge me for a full month, even though I bought a bot that I couldn't even use because of their program. Very disappointed, very upset with that. They told me that it was just Binance US, that the other exchanges worked, that Coinbase Pro would be great if I would give that a chance. So I did. I was like, okay, if I'm going to lose a month anyways, I might as well actually try to use it. So they told me I needed to link Coinbase Pro to it. So I did link Coinbase Pro. Going on day number 2, my bot's been running. Not a single trade has been started. This is a joke. I'm so disappointed. I've wasted 8 days now total. My bot has not made one trade. The only trade that a bot ever made was when I accidentally clicked the wrong button and lost $3 in a matter of 10 seconds. I then bought 2 trading signal packages. They were like $50 each, and they were trading signals for the month. Those trading signals don't work because the bot doesn't work on that exchange, so that was a complete waste. I asked for a refund. They told me I had to contact the seller. They didn't already know that I already did contact the seller, and the seller told me that I had to contact 3 commas because the seller's not paid directly from me. That goes through 3 commas and 3 commas pays them. Long story short, this was the biggest waste of time. I've been mining crypto since Ethereum was $2.93 a share. I understand how crypto works. I programmed bots like GunnyBot from complete scratch by myself back in 2017. How this platform is set up, how their user interface is set up, this should be so simple and so easy. Especially for beginners that are looking to get into bots and trading crypto using bots. This platform could be so simple and so easily explained. Every time you go to click on something, for example, if I wanted to choose QFL, next to QFL there should be an info box, just like they have up here, but these info boxes suck. They don't tell you what you need to know as a beginner. They explain it, but unless you actually understand what this all means, you're not going to fully understand what they're even talking about. They could have easily attached simple videos here with video links to YouTube. Here's how this does. Here's how this works. Here's what this button does. If you want to do this, you need to increase your profit here. If you want to take smaller trades, you need to do this. There could have been so many things that they could have did that would have made this super simple. Instead, they have influencers that are teaching you. So people that make videos, they reach out to them like, oh, hey, you're great at making YouTube videos. Would you like to do training videos for our site? Well, these influencers have digital courses that they're also trying to sell. So the guy, Muna Papa or whatever his name is, he's making their training videos, but he's also selling a digital course. So obviously he doesn't want to train you and explain everything so that you don't need to go buy his digital course. He explains things so vague and overtalks them so bad, they're so hard to actually understand and stay engaged with. And then the information's not all there because he wants you to go pay for his course. So if this was my company, I sure as heck would not be paying people to make training tutorials when they're still selling digital courses. So I'm assuming he's a partner in this company or something like that. I don't really know, but it's just sad that I thought I was going to be so excited. I read so many good reviews about this, and supposedly it's only USA related. So if you're outside the USA, this platform might work great for you, but for whatever reason on Binance US and Coinbase Pro, I've tried about 15 different bots. I cannot get any single bot up and running. I've reached out to their team. Their team has been in contact with me. It's been a 5-day process of just going back and forth with their team. It's now been 48 hours since I heard my last reply from them. And then now I'm back to just getting these generic responses that says they're really overwhelmed with the amount of requests that are coming in. Obviously, I'm sure it's because none of their stuff's actually working. Super annoying. Try to use Cryptopher. Try to use another exchange besides this 3 commas site. If you can get a bot from anywhere else, I'd highly recommend it. I hate being the negative guy, but at some point you just get fed up and enough's enough. I shouldn't be forced to pay for a product that you sell me that doesn't work as it's described. It's ridiculous that they even tried to try to not refund me. It's just disappointing. It ticks me off. And then I look at this platform and think about how much money they're actually making off this platform, and the fact that they don't want to refund you $50 for a month subscription when you bought a bot that doesn't work. It's not what crypto is all about. That's one thing I love about crypto. Everybody's so awesome in the community. Everybody wants to help everybody grow and make money. And then you come across sites like this that are just the complete opposite, that are greedy. They're not delivering a product as described. Disappointed. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. I'm probably not even going to edit it, so I'm just going to post it. So later, guys.